Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, duplicate the photo, select the erase, remove the background color, adjust the shape, crop the shape, select another shape, rotate the shape. Then select the 3D shape, the path 10, select the extrusion, adjust the shape of frame, change the background color. Duplicate the shape, select another shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.